Welcome, fellow sewing enthusiasts and creative minds. Today, we're diving into the world of home tailoring to unveil the remarkable CHILLAXPLUS Sewing Machine. Let's explore the extraordinary features of this powerhouse. With 12 built-in stitch patterns, including straight lines, decorative lines, blind hemlines, and buttonholes, the CHILLAXPLUS caters to all your day-to-day stitching requirements. But wait, there's more. The CHILLAXPLUS electric sewing machine comes complete with a range of accessories. The dual needle and dual thread function enables exquisite double-line stitching, and the PICO foot presser adds finesse to PICO stitches. Adaptable and user-friendly, the CHILLAXPLUS features a handy reverse stitch function for reinforcing seams or correcting mistakes. The Zig Zag option provides versatility for stitching different fabrics and intricate designs, ensuring efficient sewing for all your projects. Here's the thrilling part. For a limited time, the CHILLAXPLUS sewing machine is available at an incredible 50% off, bringing the price down from 12,000 rupees to an irresistible 6,000 rupees. Ready to revolutionize your home tailoring experience? Seize this exclusive opportunity by clicking the link in the description below to secure your CHILLAXPLUS sewing machine at this unbeatable discounted price.